Welcome to Eötvös University's tutorial for Neptun Education Management System, available on neptun.elte.hu. In this tutorial video, we will show you the basics you should know in order to manage your studies. What is Neptun? Neptun is an education management system where you can manage your studies. You have to register for your semesters, courses and exams in Neptun, and you can also check your progress here. You should also complete most of your study-related payments in Neptun, and some study-related requests should also be submitted here. From this platform, you can reach Neptun Meet Street, which is used by some professors to share study materials. How to log in? You can reach ELTE's Neptun via neptun.elte.hu. Provide your login data. Choose the preferred language. Your login name is your 6-digit Neptun code that you have received from the university, and you should have created your Neptun password by now. You received the guide from the university earlier. Check your mailbox for information or contact your coordinator. Your Neptun code is your administrative university ID. You cannot change it, and you need to use it for all administration which you might face. Make sure you remember it. Now log in. Once logged into Neptun, a list of personalized news will appear, ordered by freshness, trending and recommendations. Click on the news to read its full content. Some news can be commented. When you return to the list of news, the item you just have read will disappear, since only the unread ones are being shown by default. This filter can be modified. The description of each setting can be read in a tooltip of the help icon. Students' Neptun can be accessed from the main menu, just like the web interface for teachers and staff. This is the main page of your Neptun account. It shows your Neptun messages. Do not forget to check them regularly, because many study-related issues are sent via Neptun. In the messages box on the left, select Settings, then Message Forwarding. Choose English as the language of messages, then select every type of messages to ensure you are sent an automatic email to once a message in Neptun arrives. Here you can see your study program. You can switch between them. The counter near to the logout shows how much time you have until Neptun drops you out automatically. Each action resets the counter. The language of Neptun can be changed. You can jump to Neptun Meet Street and back. Let's see the menus of Neptun. My data. Personal information and previous qualifications. It is always important to check and update your personal data in Neptun, since the university gives you all official papers based on the info in Neptun. If you need to change any of the personal data, contact your study coordinator. Contact information. Check and update your contact information too. If you need changes, choose the plus sign and edit, or you can delete or add items as well. Settings. You can change your password here. If you have an online calendar service, for example Google Calendar, Microsoft Office 365 Calendar, you may want to copy the link and import your Neptun calendar into it. Studies. Under the Studies menu, you can find all details of your study program. What you may need to use most frequently from this menu is the class schedule, the grade average, the gradebook, and the official notes. Later on, the degree thesis/thesis application and the final certificate requirements. Let's see each. Class schedule. This is a classical timetable. After you registered for your courses, exams, etc., they should appear here. Grade average. You can check your grade averages of each semester here. Gradebook. You can check your grades in your gradebook after selecting a specific semester or all of them. If you have any subjects accepted by credit transfer, they appear under the Term Special Gradebook Rows line. Official notes. Many of your study-related documents are uploaded to this menu. For example, your training agreement, committee decisions, or the self-paying students' confirmation of payments documents, and so on. Subjects. Under this menu, you can manage your course registration and check your registered courses. It is going to be detailed later in this video. Exams. Under this menu, you can manage your exam registration and check your registered exams. It is going to be detailed later in this video. Finances. In case you have any payments towards or from the university, you can manage them here. You can find the charges and fines chart on the faculty's websites. Settings. For those who receive scholarships from the university, it is important to set the bank account number here. Only Hungarian accounts are permitted. Payment. If you have any past or future payments, they will be listed here. There are multiple ways of completing payments, either by credit or debit card, or by transferring money to the university's so-called joint account. Always be aware of your payments and deadlines, because if you miss a payment deadline, a late payment penalty as a plus item will be created automatically, and, in addition, registering for courses, exams and the next semester will not be possible. For further guide or frequently asked questions on payments, see qter.elte.hu. Switch language, then go to the menu Frequently Asked Questions, Fees and Funds. Especially important are questions: what are my payment options and how can I pay my fees? Mind the exact bank account numbers and the expected exact notice/topic when preferring bank transfer. Information. General forms. You need your enrollment sheet or your first-time registration for beginning your study program on ELTE, so print it now. Administration. Enrollment, registration. You have to register as active or passive for your semesters here. The registration is possible during the registration period prior to the given semester and is necessary before taking any of your courses. Your semesters are listed under this menu. If set, first uncheck the Only Active box in order to see all available semesters. When you want to register, choose the plus sign next to the given semester, then Enroll or Register. Read through carefully and check every piece of information. Dormitory application. After registering for your program, you can apply for dormitory places here in the given application periods. Information on application always comes from dorms via Neptun messages. Requests. In certain cases, you have to use e-requests for study issues. Erasmus. If you would like to participate in the Erasmus Mobility Program, you have to apply here in the given application period. For further information, contact the international office of your faculty. Course registration. Before registering for your courses, you always have to check your curriculum or study unit list first. Most of the time, they are available on the faculty's websites. Your curriculum guides you when to take and what. For the registration, go to Subjects menu and choose Register for Subjects. Here, first choose the current semester from the list. If you would like to register for subjects from your curriculum, choose the Subjects from Curriculum option. Then on the right, you can choose which curriculum to see. If you would like to have a course out of your curriculum, for example, 3 electives or sport course, choose the All Other Subjects in the Institution option. In this case, you will see all available courses at the university. For the available courses, choose List Subjects button. When you have the list, set the page size to 200 or 500 to see more lines. For the details of a subject or a course, choose its name. Here you can see the available groups and dates. Under the class schedule info, you find the time and place of each course. The letters before the time refer to days in Hungarian, so here is your first Hungarian language challenge. Let's learn the days in Hungarian. Monday, hétfő. Tuesday, kedd. Wednesday, szerda. Thursday, csütörtök. Friday, péntek. Saturday, szombat. Sunday, vasárnap. If you tick the box next to a group, you can register for it. You can also search for courses, for example, by subject name or subject code, which you can find in your curriculum. Dropping a course. When you wish to drop a course, select the registered course and choose Drop Subject. You can drop a subject in the Registered Subject menu also. Select the plus sign next to the subject, then choose Deregister Subject. Dropping a course is possible only during the course registration period. For exact dates of the periods, please check the academic calendar. Exam registration. Exam registration is possible during the exam registration period, which always starts at the end of the study period. Go to Exams, Exam registration. Choose Semester, then select List Exams. Exam registration and dropping is very similar to the course registration and dropping.